Brass Eagle Adventure Team and the Savage Island. We now continue the adventure.
We are gaining altitude now. Hold on. Okay, we are holding at 3,500 feet. Jump when you are ready.
Be careful.
We will. Thanks. Ready, Sam?
Yeah, I'm ready. On 3.
Three, two, one, jump. Go ahead and stow the chutes. I'll watch our backs.
Okay.
This week on The Brass Eagle Files. This is Corn and Lee Thornhill. They are wealthy and giving, making them truly remarkable individuals. Their skills and expertise have allowed them to make a difference in the world, and their personalities have earned them the love and respect of their teammates. Despite their success, they remain humble and approachable, a true testament to their characters. Corn, as an explorer and adventurer, he has traversed some of the most treacherous terrains on the planet, and his degree in archaeology has allowed him to unearth some of the world's most fascinating historical artifacts. He is a skilled sharpshooter, a skilled knife and sword expert. Corn frequently uses his expertise to aid in humanitarian efforts around the world. He has traveled to remote and dangerous areas to provide assistance and protection to those affected by conflict and disaster. Lee Thornhill is an explorer and adventurer who has made a name for herself in the world of navigation. With her intimate knowledge of maps, compasses, and GPS systems has allowed her to navigate some of the most challenging terrains on the planet. Her piloting and scuba diving skills would allow her to conquer any terrain, making her well equipped to handle any challenge that comes her way. She is also an expert archer, able to hit targets with pinpoint accuracy from great distances. Corn and Lee Thornhill are fascinating individuals with a wealth of skills and traits that make them a force to be reckoned with. Their adventurous spirit, combined with their friendly and giving nature, make them a true asset to their team. Their bravery and determination make them a true inspiration to all who know them. Thanks for watching. Join us next week as we continue the adventure. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you are not already. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.